Wow.
Окей, и так мы сели на катер и едем обратно на пароход, покидаем Лорето.
And you call room service for that one? Or?
And yes, call room service and order it, and it's free, and they come with this cart.
Awesome. We'll have to give that a go. Thank you.
Kind of fun. Hey, you gotta get everything you can get.
You're right.
They keep taking things away every time we turn around.
We used to have basically free internet, and well, that's gone now.
How about do they give internet? Is it legal or no?
Sorry, have a seat.
Yes.
For your safety. Have a seat, madam, please. Sorry.
Okay.
Because big swells.
Oh, really? So do they internet?
Oh, internet is half price.
Oh, half price. At least.
At least something.
Yeah.
But it used to be free.
Oh,
That's the
Oh,
thing.
yeah, I heard that.
that would be nice.
Okay,
And you used to get one of the the like Alfredo's.
Specialty dining.
Well, not the high end, but the or salty dog for free. Got two of those with group. That's gone now too.
Итак, бай-бай, Лорето. Ну, я сюда сейчас. Аня останется на пароходе, а я вернусь все-таки еще сюда. Пойду погуляю туда вовнутрь.
I complained in the survey, but it doesn't seem to make any difference.
I'm sure everybody does. This ship, I've never been on the ship to Majestic, and that inside pool, that indoor pool, have you guys walked by it?
Yes.
That is so nice.
It is.
They're going to change it to a sanctuary that costs money in 6 months. Yeah, they're changing it to the opposite. Oh, what do you say? They're going to keep it that way? It used to be, and then they
That they converted it to.
This is what I heard. And not when the pool's out where they have a garden.
Yes.
That was a sanctuary we had to pay.
Yes, you're right. It
They
was.
made that free because they found nobody was interested in that.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
they said,
It's got to be
"Let's make
money.
the whole thing free." Now I have to give it. Oh yes, it is. I think we got a balcony. It's what they call
So what is it?
I want to fold that up.
Поломался зонтик у нее.
Trying to take off like a helicopter.
the other end and pull it in.
Is that what it is? Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
When we very close to the cruise, and the head to us, I want you to help me to take a picture.
Yeah.
The head,
Uh-huh.
the head, the head.
You want to make picture of
Yeah,
that
make
one?
picture. Yeah.
Go ahead, no problem.
No. I want you to cheat.
Oh, you're going to use me.
Yeah.
Honey, this is not free of charge.
Okay.
20 bucks. Okay, I will.
Okay.
No problem, I will. I will, no problem. Она попросила, говорит, если когда будем подходить, когда поближе, говорит, вы сделайте мне любезность, меня сфотографируйте на фоне, этого корабля. No problem.
And the deck with the big, there's only one deck that has
So,
a big balcony. It says
right now?
dolphin.
You're gonna do it right now? Okay.
Crown class of getting a larger
They
dolphin.
want you standing.
Oh,
What
put it with that.
Oh, sorry.
Мазов нет. Мазов
The
нет.
largest balconies are on dolphin deck.
Yes, we were on. Yes, we're on dolphin.
Yeah.
We didn't need that. Although then I walked out, and my onions that looked up and went, oops.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there is that.
So are you okay?
Yeah, but no, what I was going to say is on this time, have a regular hug. And tell below is the sanctuary. They have that some fancy thing that they can. They're out there till the morning in their lives.
Она сама справилась. хочу тебя запечатлеть на фоне корабля. Окей, ну все, сейчас уже подходим. Окей, lunchtime. Немножко отдохну и опять
They can
пойду,
eat
что надо.
the Harmony and Crown Grill every night if they want to.
Every night, yeah. Oh, and then they have this special restaurant. Reception. All over the world. I just think that's
It used to be club dining.